if you want to manage app notifications on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down a little bit and then go to Notifications and Quick Settings in here. And if you scroll down, then we can see the list of apps that are sorted by most recent notifications. And you can tap on these apps in order to individually decide if notifications should be enabled for the specific app or not. You can also tap on the recent and switch to all, so we have the alphabetical list. But also, in some cases, you can also find like specific notifications or specific categories. And let's say if we go to messages, then over here you can find that we have specific notification for incoming messages, which can be toggled in here, for background tasks, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, we have lots of customization, and while you might want to have notifications enabled for a specific app, you can disable some specific notification categories. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.